Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to pressure clean a pool deck? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to pressure clean a large pool deck. First, let me start off with some of the materials you're going to need. Now, this is the first video in our pool series. We're going to release a lot of videos that demonstrate how to take care of this large pool. If you pan over here, you see we have a beach walk-in, we have a waterfall, we have a couple pumps, couple filters, Polaris. We're going to go through everything here, as well as our hot tub, and show you how everything runs. So if you want to see those, please hit the subscribe button, and you'll get to see all of our videos on maintaining this pool, from filters to mechanical pumps, fixing algae, all those sorts of things. So cleaning the pool deck, pretty easy to do. Just take some time. It's really not hard. Pick a sunny day where it dries up quickly. It's always nice. And dress comfortably. The sweater vest looks cool, but it's a little warm right now. So you can buy pretty much any sort of decent pressure washer. And then what you want to get is you want to get one of these discs. And these discs basically spin and help you do a large area at a time when you're pressure washing. To get your area ready for pressure washing, you want to blow off all the leaves and sand and stuff. And then if you want to, you can use a mix that has a chemical cleaner in it, or you can pre-spray it with a bleach solution or something. I like to just use water a lot of times. It really just depends on what you want to do. But you basically just want to make it clean. Now this area is pretty clean, but I'm going to take you over there in a few minutes and show you how it actually goes. It's just a slow, methodical process of slowly working over. When you get into your tighter areas, like on top of a ledge for instance, you can still probably use this disc, which we haven't cleaned yet. But if you get into a small area, I like about a 15-degree tip, and you can use that to clean the tips of things like that, or a real small area, or to blow off the debris. So stay tuned, I'll show you how the disc works over there in a little dirtier spot. Alright, now we've got our pressure cleaner running, and I hope it's not too loud to hear me. I know it's very loud. Make sure you're wearing hearing protection as well as glasses, closed-toed shoes. Just be careful, because this can be a little dangerous when the high pressure water is coming out. So we're going to do a quick clean, and then we'll rinse it off, and then we'll talk again with the engine on. Alright, so as you see, we went ahead and we did about, I don't know, 20 seconds of cleaning there. We've got a nice clean spot here. Here's the old dirty, mildewy bottom. Then this over here is clean. We started with the disc, and then we just sprayed it off. That's basically all you're going to do. You're going to go along with the disc real slowly. Put aside a couple hours, do that, spray it off with the other one, and sight clean with that little point. It's an easy job. Save you some money if you do it yourself. Really nothing to be intimidated by. So again, thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. If you want to see more videos on our pool series, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see how to do, because we're always doing all sorts of maintenance and projects out here. We may even do a slide one day. So thanks again, and remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching. The biggest trick to getting pressure cleaning done really quickly is to get your camera crew and try to have them help out. You just got to act like it's a lot of fun.